basically, I identify myself as a woman, so I'm a trans gender woman. So, parang it is a mean for me to show who I really am. It's a mean for me to tell people that you should treat me like a woman. Kasi I think that I myself am a woman. So, kaya I do.
Additional question. Kasi di ba, when guys see Romarang, parang ano yung reaction mo pag nakikita mo sila na parang tinataas ang pinanang?
Ako personally, nasanay na ako sa pagtataas ng mga kilay. Yung mga parang nagbubingan sila, nagbubingan ako. So para sa akin, parang bahala lang sila mag-isip na gusto nila. Basta ako, I want to feel express myself to the public.
So yung clothing motivation niya is self-expression.
And
And
we
identity.
admire you for that.
Thank you.
Thank